thick line of plaster is applied and a double-handed trowel is used to evenly coat a wall. Tubular beads of concrete are layered precisely using a 3D concrete printer. Painter's tape and brick-colored paint are used to create the illusion of a real brick wall. Precise measuring and a steady shovel team up to create a compass-like chalk circle. A water line is let in at the perfect angle, causing a chain reaction installation. Watch this compact track loader with a large tray fill and tie closed 20 sandbags in seconds. Drywall mud is applied and then quickly removed to fill nail holes on a new wall. Watch this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. Dugout moat trenches are filled with concrete to form a complex strip foundation. Excess drywall mud is masterfully removed from a wall to reveal a smooth finish. A rough coat of pool plaster is sprayed and then smoothly troweled by an expert team. A section of new roofing is secured with hot mop roofing tar and a hand tool. Watch this pothole get sealed and filled with a top coat of textured concrete. Wood framing and hand tools are used to create a half-moon outdoor concrete landing.